Hello everyone. Hello grade 6. I am teacher Joshua and welcome to our math class. In this video, we will be discussing the third topic of our quarter 2 week 1 in our activity sheets, the ratio and proportion. In the first two instructional videos in mathematics that we have watched, we have learned the definition of ratio and in how to find its simplest form. Warning: if you have not yet watched the two videos, you better watch it first before you proceed to this topic. In the first instructional video, we had discussed the definition of ratio. Can you give me the definition of ratio? Correct. If we say ratio, it is a relationship between two or more numbers that defines the quantity of the first in comparison to the second. We have here an example. In these pictures of two kinds of fruit-bearing trees, write the ratio of the mango fruits to the coconut fruits. I will give you 10 seconds to think. What is now your answer? Correct. The answer is 8 is to 7. Let's recall on how to write a ratio. Remember, the order of the number in our ratio is based on the order written in our problem. In this example, the mango fruits were written first before the coconut fruits. There are three ways in writing a ratio: through words, using colon, and in fraction form. Based on our problem, 8 is the number of mango fruits and 7 is the number of coconut fruits. So our ratio will be 8 is to 7. And these are the different ways in how to write a ratio: through words, using punctuation mark colon, and in fraction form. Let's have another example. In these letters of alphabets, give the ratio of the vowels to consonants. I'll give you 10 seconds to answer. So what is your answer? Correct. In the alphabet, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and 21 consonant letters. So the answer is 5 is to 21. And these are the three ways in how to write its ratio: through words, using the punctuation colon, and in fractional form. Okay, let's proceed to the next topic. We have here two sets of fruit-bearing trees. In the first set, can you give me the ratio of the mango fruits to the coconut fruits? Correct. It's 8 is to 7. How about the ratio of the mango fruits to the coconut fruits in the second set of fruit-bearing trees? Very good. It's 24 is to 21. In these two ratios, 8 is to 7 and 24 is to 21, do you think they are equal ratio? You are correct. 8 is to 7 and 24 is to 21 are equal ratios, and they are called proportion. If we say proportion, it is a name we give to a statement that two ratios are equal. There are two ways in writing a proportion. The first one is by using colon, and the second one is in fractional form. In reading proportions, we read the equal sign as. In our example, we read this as 8 is to 7 as 24 is to 21. There are parts of a proportion. The first ratio contains the first term and the second term, while the second ratio contains the third term and the fourth term. The first term and the fourth term is also called the extremes, while the second term and the third term are also called the means. In this example, the first term is 8, the second term is 7, the third term is 24, and the last term or the fourth term is 21. How can we say that the two ratios are proportion? If we do cross multiplication, or when the product of the first term and the fourth term and the product of the second term and the third term are equal. In this example, if we multiply the extremes or the first term and the fourth term, 8 times 21, the product is 168. And if we multiply the means or the second term and the third term, 7 times 24, the product is 168. Since the two products are equal, then it is proportion. We have here three ratio comparisons. Tell whether the comparisons are proportion or not. Type yes a proportion and no if it is not proportion. Pause this video for 2 minutes to answer this exercise. For the first comparison, if we do cross multiplication, 5 times 63 is equal to 315. And 9 times 35 is also 315. Since the products are equal, then it is proportion. So our answer is yes. For the second and third answers, this will be our answers. Can you total now your scores? And I want you to be honest. If you got 2 or 3 items, you did a good job. Congratulations. You can now answer the activity 1. But if you got less than 2 items, watch again the video to better understand the topic. I know you can do it. This ends your learning session for Quarter 2, Week 1, third competency of your activity sheets. I hope you enjoy learning the lesson with me. Until next time, goodbye!